Welcome to this introduction on partial derivatives. Today, we are going to unlock one of the most fundamental concepts in multivariable calculus. We will explore how to take derivatives when a function depends on more than just one variable. In single-variable calculus, you are used to functions where f depends only on x. This describes a simple curve. But the real world is 3D. When we have a function f of x and y, we have two inputs. This creates a surface, not just a line. Because we have two input directions, we can't just ask for the derivative. We have to specify which variable we are interested in. First, let's look at the notation. For ordinary derivatives, we use the straight letter. But for partial derivatives, we use a special symbol called the curly d, or Jacobi's delta. When you see this symbol, read it as partial. So, partial f over partial x means we are finding the derivative with respect to x only. To understand this geometrically, imagine a surface floating in space. The inputs x and y are coordinates on the ground, and the function value z is the height above that point. We want to measure the steepness of this surface, but steepness depends on which way you walk. We simplify the problem by looking at one direction at a time. If we want to find the partial derivative with respect to x, we move only along the x-axis, treating y as if it were a fixed number. Conversely, to find the partial derivative with respect to y, we move only along the y-axis, holding x constant. Let's focus on the partial derivative with respect to x. Imagine standing on a hill and facing east, along the x-axis. If you take a step in that direction, does your elevation go up or down? That specific rate of change is what we calculate with partial f over partial x. Now, imagine turning 90 degrees to face north, along the y-axis. You are now holding your east-west position fixed. As you walk north, the slope might be completely different. This slope is the partial derivative with respect to y. Let's calculate one. Here is the function f equals x squared plus y squared. To find the partial derivative with respect to x, we treat y as a constant number, like 5 or 10. The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of y squared, since it is treated as a constant, is 0. So the answer is simply 2x. Now let's find the partial derivative with respect to y for the same function. This time, x is the constant. So when we differentiate, x squared becomes 0. The derivative of y squared becomes 2y. Our answer is 2y. What if the variables are multiplied together? Consider f equals 3xy to find the partial with respect to x. Y is just a coefficient number. It hangs along for the ride. So the derivative is 3y to find the partial with respect to y. X is the coefficient. So the derivative is 3x. To summarize, partial derivatives measure the slope in one specific direction while holding all other variables constant. The golden rule is simple. Treat the other variables exactly like numbers and use the standard derivative rules you already know. This is the key to mastering multivariable calculus.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.